most recently I did a TV show called The Traders. That was really fun. So if you haven't seen that yet, check it out on Peacock. And other than that, Lauren and I are just, building our lives together. We created a really cool app for couples to go on dates. So we've been doing that. It's called Duo. And just kind of, living in Scottsdale, just enjoying our kids. I have twins now that are 2 years old, and my oldest is 4. So being a dad, just running around and having a blast. Yeah, we're doing great. We love just our lives in Arizona. Right now we're traveling, but I'm also a real estate agent. I've been helping people move into their new places for the last almost 20 years, which is kind of crazy. And I just recently helped my dad move a lot of his memorabilia to my house. And some of these items were just precious, items that are irreplaceable, really. So I had to use the right stuff. So for me, it's all about being prepared for your move. And that's why I turned to products from Scotch. Behind me here, I have the Scotch Cushion Lock Protective Wrap. Now this is awesome. It replaces those plastic products that are often very bulky. It's made from recyclable material, recycled paper. You expand it, wrap it around your valuables, and it does not require any tape or scissors, so that's really handy. So it's very quick and efficient, and you can fit more in a box, which is very, very important. Now the second product behind me is the Scotch Box Lock packaging tape. Now this is really great because it's super adhesive. You only need to use one strip to seal the box, and it's guaranteed to stay sealed. This is kind of the go-to when it comes to obviously moving. You need very, very good tape, and this is the one that I found that works the best. So these are the two products I definitely recommend for people to make their move more seamless, less stressful. And if you guys want more information, head to scotchbrand.com/scotchmoving.